In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Bluetooth headphones to PlayStation 4 with USB. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to use a USB adapter or receiver to connect your Bluetooth headphones to the console, meaning that you will still be able to use the Bluetooth connectivity. If you want to use them over a wired connection, then you will need to check if your specific model of headphones supports this. You plug one end of the cable into the headphones and the other one goes into any of the available ports on your PlayStation 4. But if you want to use them over Bluetooth, which I assume is what most people want to do, then you need to purchase one of these adapters. Look for Bluetooth adapter for PlayStation 4. This one from Ugreen is the one that I would recommend, but you can find cheaper options available as well. They will all have the exact same function. They will allow Bluetooth connectivity for audio devices on a PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. So look for one with good amount of reviews and compatible with PlayStation 4 consoles. Now, to actually use it, you will plug it into any of the available ports on the console. So look for USB port and plug it in. There's no secret to this. You can also plug this device into the 3.5mm headphone jack on your controller, and this will allow you to use the microphone. So if you don't plan on using the mic, this is optional. But for the audio, you will need to connect this USB adapter. Once it is connected, press the button at the back of the adapter. This will enable pairing mode, meaning that it is going to look for nearby devices to pair with. All that you have to do now is repeat the same step with your headphones. So usually by powering them on, pairing mode should be initiated automatically, but if it doesn't, check the manual to see what combination of buttons you need to do to enable it. And as long as you are in close proximity, they will pair between themselves automatically. You don't need to do any sort of manual input. If you go into the settings and you go into the audio devices, you can find the headphones that you connected over Bluetooth under output device. And once they appear here, it means that all of the audio being output on your console will go over to the headphones. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Bluetooth headphones to PlayStation 4 with USB. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.